back to Indiraas World. In case you haven't watched my last show, my very fishy show, God almighty, don't forget, click up here and you should get to my very fishy dishy. Now, since we last met, 1 month too late, it snowed. Not on the 25th of December, but a month too late. But hey, what's a month between friends? Today I've decided to take extreme measures and give you an extremely exciting dish, egg curry. Also, you get a bonus. You're going to get a generic curry masala or spice that you can keep frozen or in the fridge and reuse for meats, vegetables, soya mince, whatever you want. So, big bonus show for you today. Oh, and of course, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget, Indiraas World. And I'm all about quick food, healthy eating, and of course, don't forget, exercise. It's very important, you know. So I'm going to exercise my arms now and get some cooking done. Now, I just thought I'd share this wonderful thing with you. It's the technical term is an eggy, boily, gadgety thing. It's very smart, very clever. It can soft boil, medium boil, and hard boil. Thought I'd share that with you. I'm actually just showing off. I love little gadgets, as you can see. And let me just talk you through this very quickly. I have cumin seeds, ginger and garlic paste, chopped onions, coriander, chili optional, 4 tomatoes chopped up, coriander and cumin powder, a little garam masala, salt, turmeric, and 3 beautifully boiled eggs out of my boily, eggy thingamy thing. So ingredients all being done, I think it's time to move on to the cooking, don't you? I hope you're all ready, because I am. Shouldn't take much time. Right, so this has been cooking for around 15 minutes and of course if you like a very oily curry, please go ahead and do it that way, but as I told you, my shows are all about trying to keep the fat grams down and keep your heart, the ticker ticking, should I say. Now when this gets to around this consistency, it's done, all the raw tastes go. Now this is what it looks like. Now I always keep jars of this, as I said, in the fridge. And you know, you just add in. Today I'm going to be using the boiled eggs in this, and with some of the stuff I'm going to be using it and making a curry for tomorrow, which I'll probably do with some form of meat and moisten it up with a little coconut. So they're 2 different ones for 2 different days. So that's it. Let's go put that together with the eggs and see how it goes, shall we? Well, there you have it. It looks pretty nice, don't you think? And honestly, it was pretty easy. And as I said, you can add in all your meats, everything you want. And it's a very presentable dish when you have people round, served with boiled rice. You can buy naan bread ready these days, rice ready. Just cook some white rice up with it. It's honestly very impressive. Your friends will be impressed that you can make a curry from scratch and not out of a packet. And in case you haven't been on this show before, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and follow me on Indiraas World. And I will see you next time. Until then, I'm going to get myself a piece of bread and dunk in.